Hi, this is part 2 of my Korean alphabet lesson. In part 1, you learned the Korean vowels and consonants. Now you need to construct syllables in Korean. I hope you will be able to write and read Korean words after you watch this video. Please follow my step-by-step guide. Are you ready? First, have a square box in your mind and think of filling it with letters. One square box means one syllable in Korean. You can make one syllable with a combination of one consonant and one vowel, or two consonants and one vowel. In the second case, out of the two consonants, one is for the beginning sound and the second for the ending sound. The shape of a vowel in a syllable decides how to array these speech sounds. With a vertical shaped vowel, please put them side by side. With a horizontal shaped vowel, please put them on top and bottom. Also, for a combined vowel with two linear shapes, side and bottom, you have to proportion very well as you see in the picture. Now let's practice writing some letters and words in Hangul. Let's start with some English words. As you notice, Hangul is a phonogram language like English, meaning one letter or group of letters represents a unit of sound. Let's see how each letter or group makes sounds for English words and then try to find their equivalent or similar sounds in the Korean alphabet. Of course, the sounds in English are not the same as the ones in Korean and vice versa. Let's see how close we can imitate English words in the Korean alphabet. Ready? Papaya is one of the most popular fruits here in the Philippines. Papaya is originally Spanish, but it is also English. It has three syllables, papaya. You may think of three imaginary boxes as you write them in Hangul. P is pi, a is a, and ya is ya. As you see in the third syllable, when a word begins with a vowel sound, we still put the consonant ing in the place of a consonant. Ing has no phonetic value as a beginning sound. One more thing that you need to note is that there is no stressed syllable in a Korean word. It is because Korean is a syllable-timed language, while English is a stress-timed language. In a syllable-timed language, each syllable takes the same amount of time. Now let's read papaya in Hangul. It is papaya, not papaya. Let's check another word, candy. The equivalent to k is kyuk, e is e, n is niun, d is digut, and e is e. Candy is candy. The next one is a person named Michael. As you notice, we look at the sounds, not the actual spelling. Based on the sounds, we try to look for the equivalent letters in Hangul. Another thing to note is how counting syllables differ in English and Hangul. For example, Michael is a two-syllable word, but it takes three syllables in Hangul because I and E are considered two different sounds. So the E sound becomes another syllable with ing. Michael is Michael in Korean. Likewise, the name Grace in Hangul is four syllables. A becomes two vowels e and e. G and s take one syllable each. Any consonant in English needs a vowel to construct a syllable. The same goes for Hangul. Then what do? We add a vowel to a consonant that comes alone. Grace is 그레이스. The last word to look at is west. Do you remember which vowel has the sound of we in Korean? Yes, it is combined vowel we. Again, it starts with a consonant ing. The first syllable is we. And as you see in the name Grace, the next two consonants have to find their pairing vowel, which is So west becomes west in Korean. One last thing I want to do with you is reading practice. I have some words here. Will you try to read with me one by one? 바나나, 바나나. 사과, 사과. 딸기, 딸기, 양파, 양파, 수박, 수박, 하트, 하트, 삼겹살, 삼겹살, 원숭이, 원숭이, 코끼리, 코끼리. The Korean alphabet Hangul is one of the simplest, most logical, and scientific writing systems. It is easy to learn. However, you still need to make an effort to memorize all the letters and their sounds. Once you know how to read the Korean alphabet Hangul, watching my online lessons on Word Lab channel will be more fun and comprehensible. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and share it. And please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.